What's up guys, Cloakfiend here. Today we're going to be doing an acetone shrink test, as you can see from the title. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in a layer of acetone over this and leave it and see what happens, because I kind of know what's going to happen, but I'm just going to show you what's going to happen. So I just want to make another comment, and this one printed out so nice. The surface is so smooth. I sanded the writing just to be perfect and to stand out, but that's on a Ultimaker S5 in case you're wondering. But it peeled on the edge because I didn't put enough glue on the table, but super nice print. I'm very happy with that. So anyway, without further ado, and when I pour it in, I'm literally going to slap it on time lapse. Here we go. So that's what it looks like. And the back looks like that. Quite nice separation there at the end of the corners. So yeah, all in all. So what happens if you leave your acetone in if you leave your PLA in acetone for too long? So you can see that through the back. To be honest with you, the surface of the back looks really smooth. Even though I wouldn't, you know, it's pretty useless if you leave it too long. As you can see, I like the way the letters kind of curl up on the edges. Quite cool. Here's a couple of close-ups so you can kind of see what it looks like behind the letters. The edge separation. Alright, there you go. Yeah, I hope you can see it. The surface still looks really nice. Did some scratching there, but yeah, it looks great. So yeah, that's the effect of acetone if you just leave the PLA in it for a while. It looks really nice. I kind of like the way it's kind of broken apart here. I'm wondering if I could use that for anything, but yeah, just don't use too much. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video.